Good morning, students. This is the first video of the chapter Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. And this video has been made for class 9th. Now in this video, we'll try to understand that how Hitler got opportunity to rise in Germany. And thereafter, we'll also discuss that what was his ideology, how he was influenced by different ideology, and how he put forwarded his own ideology, that was the Nazism. So we'll try to understand that why Hitler was known for his cruelty, as well as we'll discuss that what was the situation that led to the emergence of Hitler. So let us begin this chapter from the first incident that started after the end of World War II. So we need to understand, because chapter started after the end of World War II. So it is the story of Helmut, and it is the story when Germany got defeated in the World War II. So Helmut was a German boy and his age was 11. And when he was sleeping with his parents, he heard something. His father and mother both were discussing in a very serious tone. And when he heard this discussion, he became very fearful. In the discussion that was going on, his father told to mother that I should commit suicide myself, or I should ask my family to commit suicide altogether. So that discussion created a lot of fear in the mind of 11-year-old boy. Next day, all the family members went to enjoy some picnic, and on the same day, Helmut heard that his father committed suicide in his own office. He got very surprised, shocked, that what was the reason why his father committed suicide. Later on, he came to realize that his father was connected to Hitler, and because of that, Hitler, along with other members who supported Hitler, they all committed suicide. Later on, many other ministers, many other persons, important dignitaries of Germany, they also committed suicide with their family, because they were knowing that in this war they got defeated and they will get the same type of treatment, or they will get the same type of behavior as they performed with the Jewish group. So we'll try to understand about the Jewish group in the upcoming videos. So the story is very simple. Helmut heard discussion, and after that his father committed suicide because he was connected with the Hitler. And it was a period when World War was over, Second World War was over, in which Germany got defeated. So not only his father, but many other persons who were connected with the Hitler, they committed suicide with their family. So Helmut was so fearful that he spent his next 9 years in fear, in complete fear. And up to next 9 years, he could not take food from his mother, because he was thinking that his mother might give him poison. So out of fear, he could not eat from her hand. Now, we need to understand here that as story started with the end of World War II, we need to understand here Germany surrendered to the Allies. So here two different forces were there. Allied and Axis forces were there. And here we have to understand that in that particular World War II, Allies force, they became victorious and Germany surrendered. And as the Germany surrendered, Hitler committed suicide, and all the members who were connected with the Hitler, they also committed suicide. So what was going on in the background? What was going on in the background? We need to understand here. We have to understand that once the Allied forces entered Germany after the defeat of Hitler, they saw a complete genocide. They inquired and they found a complete different situation. They found all over the Germany many bodies of Jewish persons were buried, and it was completely destroyed by the present regime, that is the Hitler. After that, the Allied forces came and they formed International War Tribunal to punish Nazi war criminals because they found connected somehow to the war against humanity or peace. So International War Tribunal was set up by Allied forces in the Germany after the World War II in order to punish the Nazi war criminals. So why they were termed as criminals? They were termed as criminals because when the Nazi was in power under the leadership of Hitler, they committed crime, they committed sin in their own country. They targeted one particular group, and the group was Jewish group. And complete racial discrimination was going on in the name of different class. One class was considered superior, other class was considered inferior. And Hitler was from the superior group. He asked his members, his colleagues, his followers to finish all the inferior groups. So this was complete genocidal war that was going on under the shadow of World War II. So when World War II ended, it disclosed many things. It disclosed many things, and after that, world came to realize that what type of crime was going on or what type of sin was going on inside the Germany before World War II. So we have to understand that before World War II and when the Hitler emerged in the Germany, situation was quite different. And when Hitler came, he completely destroyed one group in the name of his ideology. He destroyed Jewish group completely, he wiped out Jewish group completely. According to the developed plan, he planned everything to execute one particular class from the society. So he discussed that what type of cruelty he adopted, what type of strategy he adopted to finish them all, to execute them all. And we will try to understand that why such type of cruelty was performed by Hitler. Was Hitler a mad person? Then why he committed such a crime, such a heinous crime against the humanity, against the peace? Why he targeted only a particular segment? So we'll try to understand that he was influenced by some ideology, and after that he put forward his own ideology, that was the Nazism. So we'll try to understand everything in the light of Nazist theory, and after that we'll try to understand. So here story started with the World War II, but in the upcoming videos we'll go in flashback and we'll start from the period in which Germany was under the control of Prussian King Wilhelm. And we'll try to understand that finally when the World War started, World War I started, in that particular situation what exactly happened and how the Weimar Republic, that was a particular type of government that emerged after the abdication of old king. So we'll try to understand everything. So here we started our discussion with the World War II, and we will go in flashback. We will try to understand the story from the World War I, and after that we'll come to realize that how the second World War will start, and what was the contribution of Hitler in starting the Second World War. So we have to understand that Hitler came in the period that existed after the World War I and till World War II. So after the incident of World War I, he came into existence, and finally because of his policies, because of his arrogance, finally World War II started, and ultimately the World War ended. And when World War ended, people came to realize, people came to understand the genocide that happened inside the Germany. And after that, the Hitler became very notorious or you can say he became very popular in negative terms all over the world. And people came to realize that how a man with a very bad ideology can disrupt the entire humanity, can disrupt the entire class. He can wipe out the entire segment of society. So this is all about in this video. Thank you so much.